YouTube? This your boy African Butter, and today yo, we're back with another video. I am so excited. I was just freestyling. Yo, I'm back with another video. Yo, y'all guys asked for these videos and I'm trying my best, but even though it's cold outside in New York City, I'm still trying to do these prank videos outside for you guys because you guys just love them, bro. You guys hitting it, bro. Yo, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Oh my god, make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell on so you always get notified every time when I post a new video, prank video, yo. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Yo, today's vlog is going to be about the crazy dog. Check this out.
I'm watching you do it.
It's right here.
Take care, bro.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
What the fuck is that? YouTuber. I think I know who that is.
I thought you were a big ass dog behind me.
I think that was a dog.
Yeah, because all I see is a big ass shot. I was like, oh hell no. I dead ass dog coming from pound. I'm not doing that.
Yo, I thought what the fuck this nigga
Oh shit.
Hey guys. He gonna cut that out. He gonna cut it out. He gonna cut it out.
No, I'm gonna put it.
Oh really? Really? Shit, my name.
Emmy on Snap. Emmy on Snap. Emmy on Snap. Hi. Emmy on Snap. Big Wolf the Jet when I walk in the spot.
Right. Alright.
It's gonna be what least expected.
If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget to comment down below what other pranks you want to see me try. And I'll see you on the next one. No, wait. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram also. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Faz a posição e faz meu pau te pula, pula. Oi, pula, faz meu pau te